on the horizon. Let's set out to sea. Have a harbor in mind, but you never can tell. Why seeking paradise on earth, today travel through hell. Welcome to the journey, my friend. Another tipsy raven adventure about to begin.
I am aboard the Tiamo. T something or the other. And here in Wilmington, California, looking at the boat right now. And it's a project boat. Spent a lot of spare time on this thing, I think. But I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around and let you guys see it, and give me your take on it. Yeah. That's the Tiamo, and wow, it's going to need a lot of work. It's not a turnkey, and whereas the engine runs, and I'm sure the sails will stretch out, and I'm sure she'll go across the water just fine. I know that the boat's bottom is bad. It's not like the hull is bad, but the paint is bad, and that's just a thing, and we know that's a thing. In the same vein, I'm going to assume that any through holes or the propeller itself down there also probably bad, and so there'll be a fair amount of things happening below, zincs, the whole 9 yards, right? So, but aside from that, the boat itself, above the waterline, seems serviceable. Seems like it could be a thing. I know there's a bit of video there that you watched. I know that the deck is gone, but could be replaced. I know that the wood trim on the cabin top has been glassed over, but could be replaced or fixed. But there's a lot of things going for it. It's got a lot of features that make it functional. Has a hydraulic autopilot. Has some new electronics. It's got that new SIMRAD radar on it. So to do this, if this was a thing, I've already contacted the marina. I'm actually going to go see them here probably in an hour or so and talk about where the boat would be, what it is to me to have it there, make sure that I can continue to work on it, because obviously it's not going to be the way it is. I've already contacted hull out yards up in a place called Ventura, north of here, 2 hours, an hour and a half if traffic isn't bad at LA, right? And so I already have a plan to haul it out. I've already bought tools to do that. I got a nice new beautiful 7-inch grinder that I got. California is very particular about its dust and debris, and so it's got dust guards and collection and vacuums and stuff. It's very nice. It's not going to be nearly as bad as the Pearson was. And I got a couple people who are interested in being a part of making this possible. The woodwork, the mechanical work. A lot of this is going to have to be done solely by me, but that's kind of where the plan is at. So now the big question is, should I? It's not a question of could I. That's not the problem. It's the should. And so I'm making this video for you guys to chime in and give me your thoughts on the matter. And I know a couple of those thoughts already. I know that there's concerns about it being a Formosa. I know that there's concerns about it being older, heavier, difficult to sail in light winds. But I also know that there's opinions about how stable it is on the water and how resilient they are to weather and crisis. So I won't be winning any races with it, even after she's got a shiny bottom. No. No. But I'm not here to race around the world. I'm here to see it, to experience it. And in the same way, I can't say I traveled across America while in an airplane, but I can now say that I did it from the back of a truck. But did I experience it? Did I stop at all the very cool things that I could have stopped at? And yeah, I did a little bit in Colorado, but like this, it's for getting to a place. It's not for getting to a place. It's for seeing the places along the way, and that appeals to me very much. So you have the video, you have the content. I know you got opinions, and I want to hear them. I want to thank everybody for watching. I want to thank everybody if they subscribe, like, share. Please share, and let's get this out there. Let's share the adventure. Let's let people know what's going on. See you guys next time.
Hope you enjoyed this voyage with me. Much more to come while we travel the sea. If you've been entertained, please won't you share this video with your friends. Show me you care. Another tipsy raven tale has come to an end. Come join Tipsy Raven sailing at Patreon.